In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost on Hootsuite as a part of our full 2025 guide. First things first, open up Hootsuite. You can do this by heading to Hootsuite's website through your browser or simply by launching the Hootsuite app if you prefer using your phone or tablet. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. With Hootsuite open and ready, let's find the post you want to repost. Navigate over to Streams. This is where you'll find the content you might want to share, whether it's from your own social feeds, competitor posts, or even those found through hashtag or keyword streams. It's a versatile space that pulls together various content sources, making it easier to decide what you might feel like sharing with your followers. Once you've located an interesting post, it's time to interact with it. The action you'll take will depend on which social network you're working with. For example, on Twitter, you're looking to click the retweet icon. If it's Facebook you're working within, then it'll be the share button you need to hit. Over on LinkedIn, you'll have the option to either share or repost. Both work depending on what you're trying to achieve. Now, before sending that post back into the world, consider customizing it. This step is optional, but often beneficial. Hootsuite gives you the flexibility to add your own comments, hashtags, or links, enhancing the value of what you're sharing. Additionally, you can choose to schedule this repost for a date and time down the lane using Hootsuite's schedule post functionality. Planning ahead can help you optimize when your audience is most active. After tailoring your repost, it's decision time. You can either hit post now if you're ready for it to go live immediately. If you've opted to schedule, you will select the appropriate date and time, then simply click confirm. Thanks to the power of Hootsuite, the post will automatically be published to the social accounts you've selected. Finally, once your post is out there, tracking its performance is key. Utilizing Hootsuite's streams and powerful analytics tools, you can monitor the engagement your repost garners, such as likes, shares, comments, and its overall reach. Take this opportunity to compare how reposts perform against your original posts. This data is crucial for refining and optimizing your content strategy going forward. By following these steps, you'll be more than equipped to utilize Hootsuite to its fullest potential, efficiently managing your social media presence by strategically reposting content. Thanks for watching, and happy reposting!